హాయ్ స్టూడెంట్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు గో విద్య. ఈరోజు మనం బేసిక్ సైన్స్ అండ్ ఇంజనీరింగ్ నుండి 4th యూనిట్ స్పీడ్ అండ్ వెలాసిటీ నుంచి టాప్ 25 క్వశ్చన్ డిస్కస్ చేద్దాం. మనకి స్పీడ్ అండ్ వెలాసిటీ నుంచి ఆల్మోస్ట్ వెయిటేజ్ 4 to 5 మార్క్స్ అనేది వస్తున్నాయి. ఓకే, ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఏ కార్ యాక్సిలరేట్స్ యూనిఫామ్లీ ఫ్రమ్ 5 మీటర్ per seconds to 10 meter per seconds in 5 seconds. Okay, initial velocity given, initial velocity u is equal to 5 meter per second and final velocity 10 meter per second, 10 meter per second, and time is given, time is 5 seconds, 5 seconds. Okay, we have to find acceleration. Acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Okay, final velocity is 10 and initial velocity is 5. 10 minus 5 by time is 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 10 minus 5 by 5 is equal to 5 by 5 is equal to 1. Acceleration units are meter per second square. Meter per second square. Okay, from the options, option B is the correct answer, meter per second square. Okay, next question, a 5 kg mass is given at rest means u is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. Initial velocity is 0 on frictionless table acted upon by constant force is given, force is 12 newtons. The distance traveled by it in 2 seconds is, okay, time is also given. Okay, they are asking distance is equal to displacement, s is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. Okay, for acceleration we can find acceleration by using mass and force. We know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. Okay, force is given, force is 12 newtons and mass is 5 kg. 12 newtons, mass is 5 kg. Here acceleration is equal to 12 by 5 meter per second square. Okay, now we can substitute acceleration in this formula. We will get distance. Okay, s is equal to u is equal to 0. Why? The mass is at rest, initially at rest, initial velocity is 0. This total term will becomes 0 plus 1 by 2 a. What is the value of a? 12 by 5 into 12 by 5 into t square. Time is 2 square. 2 square means 4. Okay, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, 24 by 5. 24 by 5. Okay, 5 1 ja, 5 4 ja 20 and 0.58 ja 40. 4.8. Distance is 4.8 meters. Okay, from the options, option C is the correct answer. Okay, next question, an object of mass 3 kg, mass is given 3 kg, is at rest. Rest means initial velocity is 0, u is equal to 0. Now 6 newtons force is applied, 6 newtons force is applied on it, on the object for 3 seconds. Find the velocity of the object. Okay, force, we know that force is equal to mass into acceleration. Force is 6 newtons and mass is 3 kgs. We have to find acceleration. A is equal to 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. Okay, acceleration is equal to 2 meter per second square. Okay, acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Okay, next we have to find velocity. We know that velocity is equal to v is equal to u plus at. Okay, initially the object is at rest means initial velocity is 0, u is equal to 0. Okay, v is equal to u is equal to 0 plus acceleration, a value is 2 and t, time is given 3 seconds. velocity is 2 into 3 6 meter per second. From the options, option B is the correct answer. Okay, next question. The average acceleration, okay, average acceleration is equal to velocity, final velocity minus initial velocity by time. Okay, v minus u is equal to change in velocity. V minus u is equal to change in velocity. Okay, velocity అనేది మనకి v minus u అనేది change in velocity. Okay, from the options, option change in velocity by time, option B is the correct answer. Okay, option A total displacement by total time. Displacement by time అనేది మనకి velocity formula. Okay, the distance by time అనేది speed formula. The speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, next question. A bullet travels 90 meters in 0.2 seconds. Okay, a bullet travels 90 meters in 0.2 seconds. Find the speed in kilometer per hour. Okay, distance given, distance is equal to 90 meters and the time is given, time is equal to 0.2 seconds. Okay, we have to find speed. Speed is equal to distance by time. What is the distance? Distance is 90 meters by 0.2 seconds. Okay, from here we will get 900 by 2 is equal to 450. 450 is the meter per second, but in the options they are asking to find kilometer per hour. For converting meter per second into kilometer per hour, we have to multiply 18 by 5. 450 into 18 by 5. Okay, 5 1 ja, 5 9 ja, 90 ja. Okay, 90 into 18 we will get okay, 90 into 18 1620 kilometer per hour. Okay, next question. A truck travels 450 kilometers in 2.5 hours. A truck travels 450 kilometers in 2.5 hours. Find the speed in meter per second. Okay, meter per second. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Here distance is given. 450 is the distance. 450 kilometers is the distance. 450. And time is 2.5 hours. 2.5 hours means 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Okay. You can also write 450 into 2 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 90 ja. Okay, 90 into 2, 180. 180. The 180 is the kilometer per hour, but we have to find meter per second. For converting meter per second, we have to multiply 5 by 18. 18 1 ja, 18 10 ja. 10 into 5, 50. 50 meter per second. Okay, speed is 50 meter per second. From the options, option C is the correct answer. Okay, next question. A rocket travels 108 meters in 0.3 seconds. Find the speed in kilometer per hour. Kilometer per hour. Okay, speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Okay, what is the distance? Distance is equal to 108 meters. 108 by time. Time is 0.3. Okay, 1080 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 9 ja. Okay, 18. 3 6 ja, 18. 960. Okay, we can also write 1080 by 3. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja, 9. 18. 3 6 ja, 18. 0. 360. Okay, 360 is the meter per second. Okay, we have to convert into kilometer per hour. For converting kilometer per hour, we have to multiply with 18 by 5. Okay, 18 by 5. 5 1 ja, 5 7 ja. Okay, 5 7 ja 35, 10, 5 2 ja 10. Okay, 72 into 18. 72 into 18 is equal to 1296 kilometer per hour. Okay, next question. A body starts moving from rest. Starts moving from rest means initial velocity is equal to 0, u is equal to 0, and its displacement is proportional to dash when its acceleration is constant. Acceleration is constant. Okay, acceleration is constant. Displacement, what is the displacement formula? S is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 at square. Okay, initial velocity is 0 because the body is moving from rest. Rest means manaki initial velocity 0. Okay, initial velocity 0 అయినప్పుడు u is equal to 0. U is equal to 0, this total term will becomes 0. S is equal to 0 plus 1 by 2 a t square. Acceleration is also constant. Okay, we can also write S is directly proportional to t square. Okay, displacement is directly proportional to t square, time squared. Okay, displacement is directly proportional to time square. Okay, from the options, option C is the correct answer. Okay, next question. A motorcycle covers a distance of 1000 meters, okay, at the speed of 36 kilometers per hour. Find the time in seconds. Okay, time taken by the motorcycle cover a distance. Okay, ఈ distance cover చేయడానికి ఎంత టైం పడుతుంది? Okay, time కనుక్కోమంటారు. Okay, speed is given in terms of kilometer per hour. Okay, we have to convert into meter per second. 36, I will write the formula first. Speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Distance by time. Speed is given in terms of kilometer per hour. We have to convert into meter per second. 36 into 5 by 18 is equal to, distance is given 1000 meters distance. 1000 meters by time, we have to find time. Okay, 18 1 ja, 18 2 ja. Okay, 5 into 2 10. Okay, 2 1 ja 2, 500 ja, 5 1 ja 500 ja. Okay, time is equal to 100 seconds. Time is equal to 100 seconds. 100 seconds. Okay, from the options, option C is the correct answer. Okay, next question. An aeroplane flies at the speed of 50 meter per second. How much distance will cover in 5 hours? Okay, the speed is given in terms of meter per second. The options are given in kilometers. We have to convert meter per second into kilometer per hour. Okay, speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Distance by time. Okay, speed is given 50 meter per second. We have to convert it into kilometer per hour. We have to multiply by 18 into 5. Okay, distance we have to find. Distance is equal to time. Time is 5 hours. 5 hours. Okay, 5 1 ja 5 10 ja. Okay, distance is equal to, distance is equal to 10 into 18 180. 180 into 5 is equal to 900. 180 into 5 is equal to 900 kilometers. Okay, from the options, option D is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Next question. Dash is defined as total path length traveled by object divided by total time. Total path length. Total path length. Total path length. Total path length traveled by total time. Total time. Okay, total path length traveled by total time is equal to speed. Speed The units are, length units is meters and time units are seconds. Seconds. Okay, from the options, option B is the correct answer. Speed. Okay, next question. An object is moving with the speed 100 meter per second. Find the distance traveled by the object in 1 minute. Time is given and also velocity is given. We have to find distance. Okay, okay, we know that speed is equal to distance by time. Distance by time. Okay, speed is given. Speed is 600 meter per second. And the distance, we have to find distance. Time is 1 minute. 1 minute means 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, we know that speed is equal to distance by time. Okay, speed is given. Speed is 100 meter per second. And the distance, we have to find the distance. Time is given 1 minute. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. Okay, from here we will get distance is equal to 60 into 100, 6000 meters. 6000 meters. But in the options are given in the form of kilometers. Okay, we have to convert it into kilometers. 6000 meters is equal to 6 kilometers. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meters. 6000 meters is equal to 6 kilometers. Okay, next question. The object starts moving from rest with constant acceleration. Starts moving from rest. Starts moving from rest means initial velocity is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. Its velocity is. Okay, we know that V is equal to U plus AT. U plus AT. Okay, initial velocity is 0. This term will become 0. Okay, constant acceleration. Acceleration is also constant. Constant. Okay, we can also write V is directly proportional to time. Okay, velocity is directly proportional to time. From the options, directly proportional to time. Option A is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Find the velocity in meter per second that the car will achieve after 20 seconds if it starts and accelerates at 3.2 meter per second square. Okay, acceleration is given. Acceleration is equal to 3.2 meter per second square. Second square. And time is given. T is equal to 20 seconds. And U is equal to 0. Why U is equal to 0? It is starting from rest. Starting from rest means U is equal to 0. Initial velocity is equal to 0. Okay, we know that V is equal to U plus AT. Okay, V is equal to U plus AT. We have to find velocity V. Initial velocity is 0. Initial velocity is 0. And acceleration is 3.2. And the time is 20 seconds. 20 seconds. 3.2 into 20, it will become 64. V is equal to 64 meter per second. Okay, from the options, option D is the correct answer. Okay, next question. An object covers the first distance 200 meters in 20 seconds and it takes 30 seconds for next 200 meters. What is the average speed? Okay, see here point A, here point B, here point C. Okay, from point A to point B 200 meters covered in 20 seconds. Okay, from point B to point C next to 200 meters covered in 30 seconds. Okay, covered in 30 seconds. Okay, average speed, we have to find average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. Total distance. Total distance by total time. Total time. Total distance is 200 plus 200, 400. And a total time. Here 20 seconds and here 30 seconds. 20 plus 30, 50 seconds. 50 seconds. Okay. 0, 0 cancel. 5 1 ja, 5 8 ja. Okay. It will take, average speed is 8 meter per second. Okay. 8 meter per second. From the options, option A is the correct answer. Okay. Next question. A car starts from the rest with constant acceleration of 3 meter per second square. Find the distance covered in 10 seconds. Okay. We know that distance is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 a t square. Okay. We have to find distance. S is equal to the body initially at rest. Okay. U is equal to 0. This total term will becomes 0. Okay. 1 by 2. What is the value of A? A is equal to 3 meter per second square. And the time is 10 seconds. 10 square. Okay. It will become 1 by 2 into 3. 10 square means 100. Okay. 2 1 ja. This is 100. 2 50 ja. 50 into 3 150. Displacement is 150 meters. Okay. From the options, option D is the correct answer. Okay, next question. A force F produces an acceleration of 3 meter per second square on a body and 6 meter per second square in another body. Okay, both bodies are tied together. The same force is applied due to acceleration of the bodies will be. Okay, in the question what they are saying is this body A, if F force is applied on body A, it will accelerate at 3 meter per second square. Okay. Another body is there. Another body, let us say B. If force applied F, okay, it will accelerate at the speed of it will accelerate at 6 meter per second square. Okay. Okay. Next, the two bodies are tied together. ఈ రెండు బాడీస్ అనేవి ఇట్లా టై చేశారు. టై చేసి సేమ్ ఫోర్స్ అప్లై చేసినప్పుడు మనకి యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఎంత? ఓకే, వీ హ్యావ్ టు ఫైండ్ యాక్సిలరేషన్. ఓకే, ఐ విల్ గివ్ వన్ ఫార్ములా. యాక్సిలరేషన్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు a1 a2 by a1 plus a2. This is a1 and this is a2. Okay, a1 is equal to 3, a2 is equal to 6. 3 into 6 by 3 plus 6. 3 into 6 is 18. 18 by 9 is equal to 2 meter per second square. Okay, from the options, option D is the correct answer. Okay, next question. A car travels 3 equal parts. Okay, it's a journey with an average speed of, first part is 60 km per hour and the next part is 80 km per hour and last part is 120 km per hour. What is the average speed during the journey? Okay, see, there are 3 equal distances. Let us say this is x, this is x, x. Okay, A, B, C, D. Okay, from A to B, its average speed is 60 km per hour. 60 km per hour. Okay, from B to C, it will travel with the speed of 80 km per hour. Okay, from C to D, it will travel at the speed of 120 km per hour. 120 km per hour. Okay, we have to find average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. Here time is equal to distance by speed, x by 60. T1, here T2 is equal to x by 80. Here T3 is equal to x by 120. Okay, we have to find average speed. Average speed is equal to total distance by total time. total time. Okay, total distance is x plus x plus x, 3x. Okay, total time is equal to t1 plus t2 plus t3, x by 60 plus x by 80 plus x by 120, x by 60 plus x by 80 plus x by 120. Okay, we have to take LCM for this. Okay, take an x also common, is equal to 3x by x common. Okay, LCM is 60, 80, 120, LCM is 240. Okay, 60 4 ja 240, 83 ja 240 plus 3, 120 2 ja. Okay, x will cancel. Okay, 3 by 4 plus 3 plus 2, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 9, 3 by 9 into 240, 240 will comes to numerator, 240. Okay, 3 1 ja 3 3 ja, 3 1 ja 3 80 ja. Okay, 80. Average speed is 80 km per hour. Average speed is 80 km per hour. Okay, option B is the correct answer. Okay, next question. Which is the correct formula for acceleration? Okay, we know that V is equal to U plus AT. Okay, send UT to left side. V minus U is equal to AT. Okay, T, send T to this side. A is equal to V minus U by 2. Okay, V minus U by 2. V is final velocity, U is initial velocity. Acceleration is equal to final velocity minus initial velocity by 2. From the options, option A is the correct answer. Okay, next question. If an object on free fall means U is equal to 0. U is equal to 0. From a certain height, it reaches to ground in 1 second. 1 second. Okay, what is the velocity impact on the ground? Okay, what is the given? U is equal to 0. U is equal to 0 and time is given, time is equal to 1 second. 1 second. Okay, acceleration is not given. If acceleration is not given, we have to take 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, A is equal to 9.8 meter per second square. Okay, we have to find velocity impact on the ground. We know that V is equal to U plus AT. It is a free fall body. Free fall body means initial velocity is 0. Means U is equal to 0. V is equal to A, value of A is 9.8 and time is 1 second. Okay, 9.8 into 1, 9.8. 9.8 meter per second. Okay, from the options, option B is the correct answer. Okay, next question. A ball is thrown up. Which of the following is not change? Okay, a ball untadi. Okay, a ball thrown up with some speed. The speed is say V. Okay, thrown up at to H, height H. Okay, okay. The speed here, speed is V and here speed is 0. At maximum height, speed is 0. Okay, speed is changed from V to 0. Means speed is changing. Okay, option B is wrong. Okay, distance also changing. Here distance is 0, height is 0. Here H and again it will come to ground and distance also changing. Okay, option B, D is correct. D is wrong. Option D is wrong. Okay, next potential energy. Potential energy. What is potential energy? Potential energy is equal to mgh. Okay, here H is changing. Here H is equal to 0. At some here H is equal to H by 2 and here H is equal to H. Okay, height is changing means potential energy also changes. Okay, this is also wrong answer. Okay, acceleration will not change. Acceleration due to gravity will not change. Okay, acceleration is correct answer. Okay, acceleration. Note, when ball thrown up, when a ball thrown up, acceleration and also mass. Mass does not change. Does not change. Okay. Okay. Next question. A car travels from A to B with the speed 20 km per hour and returns back with the speed 30 km per hour. What is the average speed during the journey? Okay, from point A to point B, it travels at the speed of 20 km per hour, 20 km per hour, and returns from B to A with the speed of 30 km per hour. Okay, we have to find average speed of the journey. Average speed is equal to is equal to 2 V1 V2 by V1 plus V2. Okay, 2 into 20 into 30 by 20 plus 30. Okay, 20 into 30 by 20 plus 30. Here we will get 40 into 30, 1200 by 50. Okay, 0 will cancel, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 4 ja, 24. Average velocity is 24 km per hour. Okay, average speed is 24 km per hour. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. When a ball dropped from the roof of building takes 3 seconds to reach the ground. Okay, the acceleration of the ball towards the earth is 10 meter per second square. What is the height of the building? Okay, height of the building, we know that S is equal to ut plus 1 by 2 a t square. Okay, ball is dropped from the roof. Well, initial velocity is 0, u is equal to 0, s is equal to 1 by 2. Okay, acceleration is given, acceleration is 10 meter per second square, and time is 3 seconds, 3 square. Okay, 2 1 ja, 2 5 ja. Okay, 5 into 3 square 9, 5 into 9 is equal to 45. Okay, 45 meters. Displacement is height. Okay, 45 meters. Okay, from the options, no option is matches. Option D is the correct answer. Okay, that's it for today. Thank you so much.